Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Destiny 2 not loading. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings. Check for updates and make sure you have all the updates that you can find here, and then go back and go to Background Apps. Turn off this option and then go to GeForce Experience. Go to drivers, check for updates, make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and then the latest update that you can find here, and then go to settings, scroll down, turn off in-game overlay and turn on this one, image scaling, turn it on, and after that your problem must be fixed. Just restart your PC and try again. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.